Come in.
Oh, hello, my handsome husband.
Palace.
How do I move it?
Come on in.
Look at this place.
Beautiful.
Holy smokes.
Check out the view. We have a bottle of wine.
Got our bathrobes. Oh, let's... I haven't even looked in here yet. Oh. Okay, well.
Let's see. Is there anything?
No. It's me, my husband. Okay, well here's our hot tub. Woohoo!
Look at the view.
I'm holding it off right now. Okay, we open the door, please. Open the door. Okay, let's go outside. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this.
This is awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the beach and look at the. Here, let me get you.
Okay. Holy smokes.
We're gonna go eat out there. It's a seafood restaurant for lunch.
Look at that beach. I just zoomed in. Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
We are on our honeymoon.
Look at this hammock right here. That is right inside of our patio. Oh my gosh. I'll crawl in there. Oh, yeah, you gotta videotape this. I'm probably gonna fall flat on my face.
Oh, are you kidding me? You are totally gonna go down.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that great?
Oh my gosh. Nice.
Isn't this awesome?
So cool.
And we had wine and fresh fruit on arrival. A bottle of champagne. Yes, very nice. All right. How do you turn it off, honey?